Hey guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. I'm going to be planning the week of Halloween and bonfire night today. So, I think I'm just gonna, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, to be honest with you. I've got this kit from Haxby Stickers. So let's start by showing you that. So I think this is still available, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so this, actually, let's turn it over so we don't get it all mixed up. You get 9 full boxes plus 4 add-ons. We get some scalloped layering stickers, some half boxes, quarter boxes, and labels. Look at those date covers, guys. They're amazing. I love them. So yeah, you get your date covers, a weekly tracker, some Hobonichi size boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and a bill due. Then we get a bunch of scripts, icons, some quarter boxes, checklists, and then we get some script headers, some flags, and some glitter headers. And then we get all this gorgeous bottom washi, and it's just like it's just a beautiful explosion of colour. And I am not the biggest bonfire night fan, but I'm a fan of this kit. So I've brought some of this washi from Simply Gilded in, because I'm guessing I'm going to try my best to use some of that. And I'm going to be using some pink foil today, guys. I saw these date dots from File Are Fabulous, and I thought, you know what, they're perfect. So there they are in the beautiful pink foil. I've got some pink glitter overlays, pink glitter header overlays. And you can save 15% with my code Nikita15. And then I've got these like cute little corner overlays from Mirror Me Belle. So we're very excited for this spread. I think, what do I want to do? You know what? I want to do a vertical layout. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to prop myself up again. You'll have seen, I'm assuming my November setup will have gone up before this, but we'll see. But either way, I'll use some sticker books to prop myself up. Yeah, so where do we want to start? Do I want to start with, I'm going to start with my date covers. Yeah, we do get her this week, which is amazing. So, tweezers. And of course, Monday is the 31st. Okay, so how is everyone? I hope you're all well. What's everyone's plans for bonfire night and stuff? We're doing all our plans for Halloween on the Saturday before this week, and then I don't know what we're going to do for bonfire night. To be honest, I may just stay in. I'm not a massive fireworks person, and my dog gets quite scared, so I'll probably just stay in and look after the pooches. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, for this week, I'm going to put just some foil down, just so it's not on its own. Okay. Yeah, I was going to try and peel that up and straighten it out a bit, but it's not having it. So I think I'm going to put some Simply Gilded along the top. And I'm going to go with the skinnier one. I've had this like over a year, and I'm on, is it over a year? I think I got it in Black Friday last year. And obviously it's not been used. And I was going through my washi for my November monthly, and I saw it and I was just like, you know what, I know what that would go with perfectly. And it's this kit. I've got a hair attached somewhere. And then once I've finished filming this, I'm going to go, I think, and put my tea on, because it's started to get dark out now. So that means it's got to be about, what, 5, 6-ish? I've just filmed my monthly, so I'm not really aware much of the time and stuff. I was hoping for more of a rainbow on this roll, to be honest, but it still goes. This washi does not want to play ball with me. Okay. So, let's do the bottom washi. And then I know roughly what I'm working with. I've just like completely knocked the camera. They're all pretty cute, aren't they? I'm going to go with the darker ones. Get my scissors. Didn't cut that straight. Oh, this is really pretty. Yeah, that's going crooked. That's cute, right? I do love me a vertical layout. Okay, so let's get my tweezers because they help. And let's do my days of the week. So let's start with this week. And then let's get my Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I learnt this, in all honesty, from Rachel Beauty Plans, and to put your first one down and then put like the one down like this one here where this is going to go. And then it just makes sense, doesn't it, to just like, just helps getting this one in the right place. Okay, and then Monday, I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. That'll do, won't it? And then let's get Thursday and Saturday off. And we can put those down. That's cute. And then we can do Friday and Sunday. Guys, I keep saying this, but I love these. Why is that? Oh my God, look where I've put that. I love the colours in this kit. They're just beautiful. I literally just said that I'm thinking of cancelling my Washi Club subscription because I struggle like using the bright colours, and then here I am like falling in love. Okay, so I'm guessing you're gonna go about there, and there's that. So let's do headers. Where do we think the headers are? Oh, I don't know what headers I want to use. I think I'm going to do the orange. Am I going to do the orange or am I going to do the yellow? I'm going to do the orange. Oh, does the pink look cool with the foil? Let's see. I'm going to do the pink. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. I mean, I'm not doing a very good job. Okay, so that's down. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up. Maybe without the light. Let's try. No. Oh, there we go. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and do all these headers, and then I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so that's the headers down. I did forget that there wasn't enough to do this week as well, which is fine because I'm just going to put a weekly box down, and I'm going to see if I've got it to clean. Meal plan paid out to buy weekly goals. Weekly goals might be, yeah, probably my best choice. And let's just pop that down. And you know what? Let's do it. Let's put a header down over it. One of these. Whoops. That's cute. And then we can put this down. I like that. Okay, so let's scatter some boxes, shall we? I don't know which ones to use. I love them. I think they're beautiful. Oh, guys, I'm getting a bit of a numbum. I've been sat in my seat for so long. Maybe. Ooh, I don't know. Let's just. I felt this one. It called to me. So Tuesday I can kind of go like that. And then let's do a darker one. Like that. I think I'm going to move this one up just a smidge. Quite like the blue as a contrast with all the pink here. And then, Let's do this one with all the colours. Just debating if I want to do headers above them, and you know what, no, let's just leave it. I wanted a checklist because I can't function without a checklist. And I'm just going to put them down like this. This is where I'm going to run into problems, isn't it? Luckily though, this paper is pretty forgiving. So there's that. I'm just putting things where I can, in all honesty. Oh, look at that for a fit. And then Saturday and Sunday. That's definitely crooked. Can't put a sticker down today, or any other day for that matter. Okay, so before I do anything, I want to write hello November. Because otherwise I'll forget. So what do I want to put down? I want to do my foil because I want all the sparkles. So maybe put this like that. And then maybe here. I keep thinking I'm just making a mess of this. I just want to add a little bit of foil. I think that looks really cute. I'm just wondering, do I want to do the weekend banner maybe? I never do the weekend banner. But maybe I could do it like that. Just have a quick look through the kit, see if there's anything I want to add, but there's nothing that that's screaming out to me, you know. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna leave it there like that because I think it looks, I just love it as it is. And yeah, so that's going to be it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, it'd be amazing if you decided to give it a thumbs up. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.